Hey friends, I'm back and unpacked, so let's get right in.
We managed to pack everything into one carry-on, including 2 towels, and replaced the swim ropes with a mattress protector. Here's everything all packed neatly together with space for diapers, thermometer, and on the other side of the luggage is where we keep their other essentials like the mosquito patch, wet wipes, hand sanitizers, and milk powder. Up next are what we specifically packed for the plane ride for our children. As the aeroplane lands or takes off, the air pressure difference can cause our ears to hurt. As adults, we learn to equalize it easily by either sucking a sweet or holding our nose and blowing hard. However, this might be challenging for children. The easiest way is for them to be sleeping or to be sucking on their milk bottles, as this helps them to equalize the pressure. Over the years, we have learned that there is a very specific moment to pass the milk bottle to children, and that is at the point of lift off. And this is because passing the bottle to them earlier would likely mean that they would finish the drink even before the plane has finished climbing or descending. Unfortunately for us, this is the first year that our children have passed the infant stage, which means that they are not allowed to bring milk up the plane. So we have to rethink how to handle this issue. And what we came up with were Gerber puffs, yogurt melts, and gummy sweets. We chose these 3 items because they melt easily in the mouth, and as they dissolve on the tongue, it forces the children to do a sucking motion to clear their tongue and to swallow it. At the same time, we didn't want them to be on a sugar high while trapped on the plane, so these snacks had to be healthy and be able to be provided like beer on tap, like raining candies in Candyland non-stop throughout the plane journey. How do you keep your children entertained on the plane? Let me know in the comments below, and see you in the next video. Bye!